I have not yet shared the scripts recording, no? Only smart forms. Okay. I'll share it soon. Right. Now see the change here. I'll just remove all these things. Yeah. Parameters. What are the things you have to accept? P underscore what? Address number type. ADRC hyphen what? Address number. Next logo na. P underscore logo. Type what? What? Existing. Then what? P underscore land one. Type what? KN1 hyphen. Not KN1. I refer to what? T005 hyphen land one. Done. I'm preparing the control parameters, opening the job, getting the Adobe Form function model name. Done. I got it. Okay. Next here, call function LV underscore FNAME exporting. I'm interested to pass only one parameter. What is this? I underscore what? Address number equal to P underscore address number. Any other parameters are also what? Optional. Done. Is it clear? So let's see whether we'll get the address or not. No syntax errors. Oh. The deep data type existing is not allowed. Might be for parameters existing is not allowed. So I'll come back to that later on. I'll just comment this. Is it clear? Anyway, it is optional. No? Incorrect nesting. Why? Yeah, let's execute this. So I should know the address numbers now. From where I can get the address numbers, from which table? Yes, ADR, ADRC table. So when I execute, yeah, I can browse here. I'll just choose some address number from that list. I'll choose something 141. Execute this. I'm not passing land one. Oh, probably it should work. Let me check. What happened? I got some abort error. I'll pass 141. Hello. Yes. Are we getting that? Oh, what happened? I didn't got it. Why like that? Invalid address. Why like that? What could be the reason? Let me go back to the interface. I underscore address number type so and so done. Then I went to the form. This is the form. I mapped it from there to there. Done. After that, I created what? One address object. In the address object, address number I will give it here. Done. And then what else? I give the land one also. That's okay. Then I'll go to layout.
Sir, here text type of thing is not there. Text to visualize those things. No? Text in smartphone or text we write here not there like that.
Text in this. No, no, no.
No?
No. That editor will not come here.
No.
That is only for scripts and what?
No.
Smartphone. Let me check it here.
Sir, based upon the address number, we need to fetch the data, na?
Yeah, I need not write the query for that. It should come automatically. Okay, this is address number. Now let me go to palettes object. Is it mapped properly? Allow multiple lines. Yes. Why it is not coming? Activate this. Done. Let me re-execute the driver program. We are passing the address number only. Done. Okay, I'll do one thing. Let me delete my Adobe form. My understanding is later on I modified my interface, na? So it may not get what? Reflect. So let me redesign. Interface is there now, which has got 3 parameters, and I made all the parameters as what? Optional. Okay. And what is the table for address? ADR C. Am I referring to correct field? Address number. What is the data element? AD underscore address num. So let me, I'll do one thing. Instead of referring to the table, I'll refer to what? Data element. Address num. Next data element is what? AD underscore address num. AD underscore address num. So let me say
AD underscore.
AD underscore address num. I'm referring to what? Data element. Let me check. Save it. And I made all of them as what? Optional. Activate this. It should come. The process is correct only. I'll go back to Adobe Form, create this. Let us create it based on what? Interface. Adobe Interface 6. Save it. Yeah. First, I'm not displaying them directly, so I'll directly right click on this, create what? Address object. Address object is created. When I do syntax check, I should get what? Error, yeah, no address number is specified. I believe I can directly map it here. What is the parameter there? I underscore what? I underscore address number. Save it, check it. No, did not specify a country, sender country. So let me scroll down. What is the other variable? I underscore what? Landware. Okay, so let me save. Now you have to design what? Layout. Let us go to the layout. layout is designed. Now here I'll drag and drop the address node. I got it. Done. Okay. Okay. Let me save it. Check for the syntax errors. Activate this. Done. Let me run the program. 141 now. So adjustment problem. Adjustment problem. Did I got it? Okay, I got this. Some address I got. Next, I'll give what? What is the other one I give? 22901. Is it changing? Yes. Changing. Working now? So adjustment problem. Later on I made the changes to interface. It is not adjusted properly. Working fine. Is it clear? So I got here what address. If you want to remove this, remove it from the layout. Address is remove it from there. How to remove? If you go to the layout. Yes, I can remove it manually. Remove it manually, then you will not get anything. You can give whatever text you want there. Right. What is the next to call now? We should display what? Dynamic logo. Dynamic logo. So see the changes here. It's a software issue. Invalid address. Might be address is not there. What is this? Yeah, we are not getting any address. Is it here? Earlier we got the static text here. Now I removed that. Done. So address is working fine. What is the next requirement here? We should display what? Logo. What is the parameter which is carrying that? I underscore what? Logo is a parameter. It is a what type? X string. So see the change here. Go back to the context. In the context, address, I hope it's clear now. Just take the address and provide the address number here. Okay. Next, I have to display what? Logo. So what to do? Create what? What? Graphic object. Create the graphic object. Graphic object is created. As part of the graphic object, what is the graphic type here? Graphic reference. So change this to what? Graphic content. Change this to graphic content. Done. Yes. Okay. Then here field. What is the field which is carrying that? What is that? I underscore what? Logo. So here I'll give the parameters what? I underscore logo. In SC78, what kind of images we are going to upload? Bitmap, na? Bitmap. So MIME type you have to give it as what? BMP, or you can give like this also. Directly BMP or MIME slash what? BMP. Anything is fine. Okay, MIME slash BMP or only what? BMP. Done. Save it. Is it clear? So I created a graphic object. Then I'll change the graphic type to what? Graphic content. Associate the parameter which is carrying that particular graphic and change the MIME type to so and so. Then go to what? Layout. So now see, this is your address. Now I want what? Graphics. So I'll just take the graphic, I'll put it here. Oh, done. Graphic is placed there. Right, there's a graphic. Right, here also if you want to remove this, remove it. Done. Okay, save it, check it, but I need to bind it. Is it binded automatically? Let me check. To display any images we require image field na? Here it is text. Address is always what? Text. Okay, so this, if you go to this palettes here, it is by default what type? Text field. Now here this image it has to display na? So if you go to palettes, right click palettes, what is this? Object, layout, done, field. What is the default type? Text field. So what I have to do? Change it to what? Image field. Change it to image field. Done. I have changed it to image field. Then I'll go to what? Binding. It has to be binded with what? Graphic only na? Yeah, it has to bind with what? Graphic only. This graphic is binded with what? Logo. Yes or no? Graphic is binded with what? I_logo only na? Done. Okay, so let me save it, check it, activate this. Okay, so are we giving the name of the logo there? Are we giving the name of the logo? No, we are only binding with a what? Parameter which is carrying that particular picture name, logo name. Okay, so let's see programmatically how to control that. Are we clear to everyone? Done. So now let me go back. Go to your driver program. Before that, let me check the available images. So I'll go to SE. What? 78 under what? Bitmap, color. I think we uploaded what? Sunflower. Huh? I pressed F8. Sunflower image, is it there? No. Huh? Arsa. Ars 1 na? What? I'll go for this. What is this? Waldorf, a predefined image. Waldorf. Okay. I'll go for IDS_logo. Is it there? Yeah. This is another image. Am I clear? Okay. I'll go for mail. Yeah. Understood? We have predefined images. Already we know how to upload our images to SC78. I am going for what? Standard images. Okay. So Waldorf, mail, etc. Done. Now see the technique here. So what I have to pass now? This parameter is what type? Acha. In the interface I declared I_logo as what type? Existing. But in the parameters I am unable to take what? A parameter of type what? Existing. So I cannot read the existing value here, it seems, in the parameter. So what I'll do is, observe here. So my requirement is, I need to, what I have to do? Yeah, I am, when I run my program, I'll get what? Selection screen where I'll enter what? Logo name. That logo we have to pass it to what? Adobe form. And in the Adobe form, what is the parameter which is carrying that? Existing. I_logo type what? Existing. So related to scripts and smart forms and Adobe Forms, there is a class